Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I've got interesting products for you guys. I love discovering products like these because I didn't know these existed, honestly. I have the ROOTFLAGE temporary root touch up and hair color. These are powders. They have all the colors that you can possibly need. They also have beautiful fashion colors, purples, blues, pinks. They are safe. They will not damage your hair. There are no harsh chemicals here. You can wash it off. So after one wash, it's gone. There are many ways to use these powders. So I did do two videos. One was how to lighten up your root. Like I'm getting a root right now. So if, let's say, I don't have time to dye my hair, I have these on and they will help, you know, camouflage this darkness that I've got going on. They also have fashion colors. So the second video I made was on a pink powder that they had, and I applied it and it was really pretty, you guys, and it actually washed off very easily. I'm gonna jump right in, you guys, because I actually wanted to try these other colors. The ones I used in my first video I made, they were too light. I have dark roots, as you guys can see, so it looked like white powder on me. So Lucy, which is the owner of the company, very kindly sent me a few other shades so I could try them out, which is amazing. And I also have the InstaFix hair color corrector and dry toner. This, can't wait to try. So this is in the color Platinum Pop. I have strawberry blonde and light brown. So I'm just going to open one so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the packaging, very cute. Let me open it. And it comes with a little brush. So you can, apply the product. Let's say, like, really dab that in. Very nice to work with. So this is a synthetic brush, and you've got your little powder. Love the packaging, I have to say. You have some instructions here and all of that. And so if you just remove the cap, this is the brush. Very, very soft. It has a little hole in there, as you guys can see, so that's where the powder comes out of, and then you can go in and dab it in. And if you're done, just have to, this goes down, you have to pull this up, and then you can close it, and there you go. I'm gonna put light brown on one side of the root I have going on, and then the strawberry blonde on the other side, just to see and compare both shades. And I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna take some product. I'm gonna tap the excess, and then I'm just gonna apply it on my root. See how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in. Ooh, what did I just do? Oh yeah, that is helping. So I'm gonna try to press that. I'm gonna be very, very gentle because I don't want to make a mess. I do have paper towels here. So, oh crap. As I say that, I just made a huge mess. Oh yeah, this is the perfect color for me. Look at that. Yeah, it's definitely helping. And because this is powder, you guys, it acts as a dry shampoo. So if you have oily roots, oh yeah, can you guys see that? So I'm just gonna press that on. Look at that. Be careful here on the front because I don't want it on my face. Wow. So that is cool, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna try the other color. I am going in with Strawberry Blonde. Just clean up my brush. Okay, so this is it right here. As you guys can see. This looks lighter than the one I used. So, just gonna go in and press that. Yeah, this is definitely lighter, as you guys can see. But it's kind of matching. Oh yeah, look at that. It's better to go in with like small tapping motion first, just to deposit the powder. Well, I think maybe I prefer this color. Yeah, I think I prefer this color, Strawberry Blonde. Yeah, this color is definitely a perfect match for me. Look at that. My root is gone. So I'm going to apply that on this one, on this side as well. Next. All right, so I want to move it to this one because this is like a toner that will help you get rid of unwanted warmth tones. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Okay, so ooh, I love this brush. Ooh, I love that. Love this packaging. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do it on this side. So let me apply this and then we'll compare. So you guys, I've applied the powder and as you guys can see, you can definitely see the difference. I mean, I could tell because I've been bleaching my hair, doing, you know, highlights, toning my hair for 5 years now, I would say. And so I can tell when I need to tone my hair. Maybe to a person that, you know, doesn't really care about blonde hair or brunettes, maybe might not see it, but as you guys can see the difference, this is what your hair should look after toning, and this is when your hair oxidizes. So blonde does oxidize. So it did perfectly, you guys. This InstaFix hair color corrector, I mean, I love it. I mean, this is the color that I usually aim for when I dye my hair, when I do my highlights. So I definitely need to tone my hair. Very user-friendly, you guys. If you are experimenting with bleach and don't know anything about toning, I would definitely try this out because you know, toning your hair has to be almost white for the toner to work. So I know that toner doesn't work on orange hair, but something like this will definitely help with that brassy looking hair. So like I said, very user friendly if it's your first time, or if you're in between hair salons, or if you're going to an event and it's like a month from now and you don't want to, like me for example, I have a baby shower in a month, but I don't want to dye my hair just now. I kind of want to maybe dye my hair a week before the baby shower so my hair looks fresh and, you know, freshly highlighted and toned. So, you know, to look a little bit more put together and to remove some of this warmth, I would go with something like this. So definitely thumbs up, you guys. This product really did amazingly, as you guys can see. I mean, you guys see the difference right now, so I'm not lying to you guys. So yeah, I will link everything down in the description box for you guys. This is in the color Platinum Pop. So all of the products I use, I will link it down below, and also the videos I made, because one video I reviewed more colors. So if you want to go check what colors I use, I think I reviewed 4 colors, and I also did a separate video and I dedicated to the pink, to the cotton candy color. I dyed my hair pink, and what's amazing about these products, you guys, is that it washes off after one shampoo. So there you go. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this, you guys. I totally recommend, like I said, I think it works. And yeah, thank you so much, Lucy, for sending these over. I really appreciate it. And yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, please write to me in the comment section below. And yeah, take care. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video.